Test, test. Hey, Pinfall. Let me know if the music is good, the volume for music is good, my voice is good. All right. And the time to get started. So what do I actually want to do? I don't want to help me with this. As an example. Before that, actually, let's do something simpler, which doesn't require any code changes. So an example, when I'm doing all this stuff, I want to be able to see the actual value of a string as a tooltip raher. Same thing here. But looking up the value here. Okay. Of that. So for example, this should say just wide red right here in the tooltip. Oh yeah, might as well get started. Wish list at. Pin some useful messages. And today I've just updated the Steam capsule art after a year. Okay. So I'll start a new one. What's the minimum? What's the recommended setup for Visual Code extension work with Typescript? Okay. ESLint. Is that this? Yes. JS packager, okay. I don't think I have that, do I? No, of course not. Of course not. Ye God. Where's the download button? Well, I don't want a NPM Pro. Really? Oh, no way. Okay. That I can roll with. Sure. I'll skip that. Alright, well, the sun is up. I'll have camera on for a bit. Chocolate, I know what it is. I used it before. Alright, let's finish. Okay. Globally. Can do globally. Do I care about any of that? I'm just gonna skip that. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. Just another ending game of updates in the web dev world. Did I install this? No, not yet. Well, now. Oh, seems like so far nothing crazy to do. I guess I'll leave it somewhere here. Probably. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a folder here. No. PC extensions. Do I want it here? I guess it's fine. There's something with TS, right? Sure. Yeah, okay. TSC blah. To restart it, don't I? Yeah. Okay. And up next, just run. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Don't care about the rest too much. Intelligence. Let's see how much of intelligence we can get. Okay. Something. Over information. Yes. Okay. Sure. Webcam back in action. Okay, that one is fine. I don't know what you're talking about being difficult to install Typescript. Easy so far. Okay, blah blah, signature help, snippets, don't care, don't care. Don't care. Debugging would be nice. I don't know if I'll be able to debug code extension. Debugging. Actually, I'm curious. F5, Node.js. Has a ton of config and build stuff. I'm not seeing it so far. Well, this one didn't like it. Did I try to run as a JavaScript? Yeah, that's what I wanted. Here remains to be seen. Running and debugging your extension. You can to some degree, huh? Well, whatever. Here's how much this will help, if at all. This is going to be a huge submission. gamedev Typescript. I don't care too much, but I knew that. Probably. Alright, let's go back to... Yeah, in my case, a very specific thing I need to do, so I need to worry about running a web browser. An actual one, anyway. So let's first create... let's call it... localize strings... hints. Okay. Package.json. Okay. Localize strings hints. On language JSON. What about JSON with comments? I don't know. Now I need this too. I think that will require the localized strings are in the following format. Data extension code. Have a live reload. Let's see how much that will work. You won't be using Typescript files. Oh, I'll call it J. Wait, how does it go? TS. But what did I want him to specify? What is the package? Wait, what? Extensions. Visual Code, Typescript, extension tutorial. I want to see the basic. Well, not that. First extension, okay. Except it's gonna be JavaScript, ain't it? Ain't it? No, it's not. It is not, in fact. Okay. Seems reasonable. Yo, generate code. Here. Do I just go here? That. Oh. Oh. Extension Typescript. Boom. What is the name of my extension? Localize strings. Hints. Sure. Reads English. What's up, LaPlante? It's English localized strings. And provide hints for any values referencing the localization files. No. Unbundled, yes. Good lord. Good lord, that's a lot. But okay. Okay. Now I can probably delete that. Delete this. The hell happened? We can just... Oh. Well, good luck with those languages. Looks like I have to redo this whole thing. One more time. Localized hints. Actually, why don't I... Hints for adds localized variables. No. Unbundled. Go. Python is still extremely slow. I'm not even sure if it's actually Python going to be any faster than some web dev stuff. So what Python is basically web dev anyway, as far as I see. Command fail to exit code 1 npm install. Not mention version for types vs code 1. Excellent. Thank you. Excellent, excellent. When running your code, I get sounds like your project will be doomed from a start, LaPlante. Good luck with that. Making a Discord in Python. Can I just install VS Code? Actually, what does it say there? VS Code. What was I following the steps? No, I'm not sure. Okay, music is a bit too loud. A bit too loud. Plant is so hopeful. Good luck configuring it something different later. Where did I see it? Here. Oh yeah, I was here. This part didn't mention doing anything else. Extension.ts. Maybe I don't need to open that specifically. Like I can just stay here. Source. And what are you doing here? Indeed, indeed. Okay. That's gonna be compiled thing. Don't care. I think I need a bit more than that. Well, let's go back to ChatGPT. Or real version. Can I just view? What's a command just to view? npm command to view versions of VS Code. View. Yeah, it only goes up to 1991. What do I have here? Why? What's up, Suda? Why did it give me this version? So weird. Okay, which one do I have installed? Npm command to see which one I have installed. List. Get nothing. Typescript help begins, indeed. Indeed. Okay. I got none so far. Should I install VS Code API locally. Save dev. Sure. Let's see how much crap that gives me. I'm gonna keep an eye on you. Okay, I can get rid of this. What? I'm still looking for that. Okay, 1991 is the highest one, so how about this? Try with a new character, and he's already been featured in the Steam capsule art. Actually, some extra ideas of what I want to do to the sword boy. Oh, hold on a second. I need to refresh monitor so I can get full 144 FPS. Okay. There you go. Direct hit to that side. I need to make him like go where sometimes. I mean, he's doing fine. Just sometimes be able to. Why don't you just leave, dude? Just leave. I want to shoot you in the back. No, you don't want to. Sometimes he gives up following, but it's just not today. Because one idea I have for this guy is when he takes enough damage, I want to, for his right hand to just completely fall off. Right now it just gets damaged, but it doesn't really like gets completely shattered. And I can do that. Oh yeah, he can do all kinds of move attack. I mean, that stuff honestly is pretty easy. That's just animation. I already have stuff configured where I can just throw in any kind of animations on the guy. So that stuff is easy. Specifically when you go to look at the robot. He's got this robot animation attack of root motion, so I can just point to whatever animation I want. And then it will use specific colliders as damage points. So that's already good to go. It's just a matter of creating more animations. Before getting there, I want to do a little bit more fenciness and destruction, which honestly is already getting fairly complex. Like here's all the configuration for his damage, because he has different body parts, and different body parts might have fully undamaged meshes, sometimes they only have cores, some don't, with different fractures. They'll assign particular bones they're attached to. That way when the guy explodes, oh yeah, two things. The one of them limbs can be completely destroyed. And the other one, instead of him just blowing up immediately, there was a delay. You know what, let's do energy shot. Slow motion. Because one of the things I worked on was the fact that when he blows up, he actually correctly creates all the temporary pieces. Yeah. So you can see he's blowing up right now, and everything is correct towards where it was, so nothing like... Before it's kind of jumping randomly. Even this is all good. But I don't think I want them to just explode everywhere all at once. What I want is to start blowing the pieces from the center or something where shot happened, and then to the rest across like a few frames. It might look better. Might. Alright, we can just go chill for a bit. I might rework that bike just to be something different. Alright. This can chill for a bit. Back to Typescript. 1991. Okay, this time it works. Why did it give me bad VS Code version? That was weird. I don't care about issues. That sounds like a web dev hell. Okay. Open and press F5. Here, F5. Oh, there, yeah, okay. This one no longer complains, but this one does. VS Code extension. Yeah, VS Code extension. Oh, opens a new instance. That makes sense. That makes total sense. I mean, I haven't written anything yet. This is just like a template that the CodeGen made for me. So let's open this. Because this is all the goodies are at. Like this, for example. Right. Okay, what does it say I can do with this? Hello world command of Control-Shift-P in the new window. Control-Shift-P. What am I supposed to know? Selfish start. Why would it do that? I get it registers. Use console. Debug console. I don't see anything here. What's up, Russ? Hey, Ukrainian brother. Doing a little bit of web dev today. I'm as closest to it as I'm gonna get. Okay, do it. Hello world command from command palette, Control-Shift-P in new window. Engine VS Code version is compatible with installed version of VS Code, right? Okay. Well, that's a fair question. npm list VS Code. 1137. Wait. What do I have? List. 1137. So then why? Seven, right? VS Code at that's some crazy. Let's close it down. Back to here, F5. Shift B. Hello world. I'm not seeing nothing. Yeah, that's not useful. Make sure engines VS Code. Engines VS Code, okay. Engines VS Code, yeah, this thing. Okay, okay. Can I restart? I'm not sure if it actually restarted. Sure would like to see some output somewhere. Maybe it's here? Let's do it again. So clear, clear. I don't care about this. You get anything here? No. No, no, no. I got nothing. I don't have to think about that. I'm gonna hop on a bike. Maybe I should be worried. I mean, it is running though. But I'm worried why this is not showing up. Says console dot is not found. Did I do this? Huh. Oh my, how big is that thing, dude? Oh lordy lord. Jesus Christ. I'll have to think about that. I mean, how much crap is that? $60 megs, of course, of course. I mean, it's not the worst thing, but fine, fine, fine. Dun, dun. Command. Ah, so it does do this. think it's supposed to show up there and it's not. What's the version I'm running on? About. Oh, that's why I did that. It's 1/100. Let's see. I wonder if I need to match that. Oh, let's poke it somewhere. My VS Code is 1/100, but I don't see npm package for that version. Okay, which one I have? I got 1137. Why? Oh, that one is 991. What's the difference? What's the difference between the two? Okay, maybe this will help. Although, maybe not. So at least that can make this one 1. And this one is fine. Right. What did I get here? Oh, includes. It's almost here, but it doesn't seem like it needs much. It should just be there, honestly. Ooh. Which bot got through? Fine, maybe I can ignore it for a short while. File, fine. Wow, this really bores me. Actually, if I just do something weird, will it even run? Oh, it just runs, doesn't even care if it actually compiles. That's cool. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna assume that is a problem. Back to fixing console.log, not being found. Where's console defined? Right. Types node. Types node. Got 201746. Seems fine. Actually, can I say 101 here anyway? Right, what else? Oh. What if I do npm with local compile? Yes, that thing wasn't even compiling. Why doesn't it even get there? Alright, let's try one more time. Let's do more specific. That is such bullcrap that you press debug F5 and it's like, yeah, I don't know. Never seen it before. Not even gonna tell you about any errors, alright? That looks like some serious misconfiguration. I get a lot of errors, starting with. Is that true? I don't buy it. Compile. Maybe compilation stuff is just here. No, I guess same thing. What is that? Watch. Oh yeah, it is both here. One 137. Well, that didn't do crap. That didn't do squat. Man, and I was thinking C++ errors were a challenge. That didn't do it. All right. Compiling. Typescript. VSC extension. Getting errors. Whatever, let's see what it finds. I know basic one worked fine. Yes, config. Which I do have. I do have. Yeah, sounds more like what I'm experiencing. Yeah, it's exactly. Type module. Did I get the mirror upgraded? Not sure what you mean by that, Mr. Shrill Duck. Mirror in what case? Actually, do you have one more mirror type? Do I? Well, the last time I tried it didn't look good, but that's been like months since I played around with mirror shapes. Let me see. Player's mirror, mesh, mirror standing. Yeah, I had an oval one. Yeah. You ray trace on the great stuff, only in the mirror. Yeah, so this is one thing I worked on in the past when I was wanting to do more than one type of mirror. Well, this one seems to have a weird scaling, but I didn't like it as much as a straight up mirror, so I give up on that. Trying to weld for now. Roll that for now. Anyway, back to extension work. Module. What was it talking about? Guy was talking about type module. It's not anywhere here. Is it here in the... I don't know what's that referring to. ES build. Who knows, maybe just outdated crap. This is official one. CommonJS. What do I have? What do I have? Mr. Shrildak with more ideas. What you got? I don't know if she kills the boss, she pulls out a compact mirror, puts on lipstick. That's a lot of animation. That's a lot of animation. But not a bad idea. Close obverse, don't care. Let me see target. Yes, 5. Why did it do that? As opposed to this. Source map. Module. What was this written? Can you give me a timestamp? This wasn't this year, supposedly. Let's generate it this year. I mean, but this is for anything. This is not specifically extension guide. Let's go back to here. I want to see what does it generate. Extension anatomy. Does it go through this? It does. Just some comparison. Event source, that's fine. Script, fine. Dev dependencies. What do I have the smoker crap for? Node, VS Code, TS lint, Typescript. That's it. Maybe get rid of most of this stuff and keep it just to this. What's the worst that can happen? Nothing changes. I'm not even sure if it's actually taking a change, to be honest. I'll just compile the next thing over. It is complaining between VS Code and types. I think that actually does anything. I think I need to do something to it. Do I need to run a command after updating depths in package.json? pm install. Okay. Remove the bunch. Good, good. Okay. Maybe just random nasty. I don't know what the hell that was, but do I have less files in there now? Or do I still have a bunch of crap in here? There's still type definition for test runner. Oh, Mocha was for test runner. Okay. Well, for now, I'm not gonna care about that. Where's this test crap I can get rid of? It's not referencing the test. Where did I see it? I saw it somewhere. Reference to this test. What the hell is this package lock? Whatever, it's progress. A little bit less errors. Cannot find name suite. I'm guessing it's this one. Yeah. He wants Mocha for that. Okay. Okay. All right, let's just add just that. Delete the rest. What am I doing with TypeScript? No, I hate TypeScript, but I want to write some extensions so I can... like, here's the actual challenge. I have a bunch of JSON files. For example, here. This is JSON file defining different items and stuff, right? And it's referring, making references to other JSON files. It's such a pain in the ass. What I want to do is provide an extension that would read that other file and provide a tooltip right here saying like, oh, this thing comes from this file and it's the part. That's what I want. So VS Code is my choice, and for that I have to use TypeScript. I have a suspicion that this might be... I don't know, what if I just get rid of this? Then do npm install again. Ooh, compiled file this time. So which was the problem? Oh, maybe I just needed to run this command anyway, and that's what was the problem. Huh. Maybe it just was missing npm install. Interesting it's not here, but whatever. Whatever. Let's see, can I run now, debug this thing? Wait, now it says building. It was actually a building doing something this time. Hello world. Excellent. Hyperventilation. Something's working. So that's the sample code. That's the sample extension doing this thing. Okay. So that's a big victory. That's big D. That's big D right here. Okay. Now, let's see if it's just snapping it from here will just work. Alright, here's the thing I need. Maybe I can just take it. Just take it. Copy. Big D, that's right. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. It's okay, I got ChatGPT to hopefully help me out of most of this. Okay. So here's what ChatGPT thinks I need to write, right? So that makes sense, that makes sense. I'm even gonna keep this around. Right. Well, seems to be doing fine. Now, let me see what it does. On activation, it needs to read. Let's read this. So for now, I'm just gonna shove exactly where it is, and don't even care. I don't think I liked it. Wait, this... Hold on. Does Typescript have a escape string sequence where I can have... Where's my opinion, ChatGPT? It's good. The smarter you are, the more capable it is. You can strip. What about something like C++ has with like R or something? Backticks. Let's try that. Will that work? I don't know. I'm not buying it that it will work. Use those. Oh, what if for now just do this? Technically I can find locally or something, but this is fine for now. Fine. For now. Extension path. I don't care. What is return as path specific object? Actually, I'm curious. What happens if I do this? No, there's nothing to click. Oh, it returns a string. Okay, I don't care. Then I don't care. Load data. It's kind of funny it doesn't pass it this way, but alright. Don't care. Creates records, fine, does this. Where does it get saved? I'm guessing it's local. Okay. If the file change makes sense. Hover provider, fine. What? Is it just slinting? Fine. You can get some of that. What is that? Get a word range at the given position. I'm highly suspicious. No, I want to do like new lines. That's fine. Will this... It's building. I'm assuming it built fine. How do I... Can I just like... breakpoint any of this? I'm just curious. Very, very curious. Huh. It's not really set up for configuration. configuring that, is it? Does it print anything to... So debugger doesn't do anything. Very interesting. Does it show my extension here? Really? Why wouldn't a breakpoint work when debugging a VSC extension? Source map. Do I need to compile separately? Yeah. Yeah, compiled fine. There's an out. Source map. Source map true. Launch the JSON. Out files. Out. Okay, seems good. Good. What are you doing? It's building. What are you building? What should be doing? Abort. What the hell is this? Which task? Wait, what? Oh, I was looking into there, huh? Why? Why are we looking there? What's up, Jonas? Welcome to C++ Dev, trying to figure out Typescript. To do like a few cute little things. That's all I want. For some reason it's looking at that location. I wonder why. There's just something that's pointing to that folder. Let's see. Path. No. There's nothing really pointing to that, so why? Are you being a biscuit? Like, why would you read it there as opposed to where I am? Run extension. Oh, there is a configuration here. curious. Run extension. Oh, where does it show up? It's almost like it remembered a different path than what I wanted. Wait, where does it refer to package JSON in the first place? Package to JSON. It is highly suspicious. Building, running. But it's not getting any breakpoints. Can I just like break? And continue. How about this? I want to see what's happening. Console.log 1. Control R to restart? No. I want to see where that goes. Huh? I couldn't care less. Couldn't care less. Go. NPM watch. Not even my stuff. Why do I care? Some Gitland scrap. Okay. I really don't care about you. So who will actually show me the console output? I would assume it'd be somewhere here. Which task? Could have committed the file changes. What I should have done. Well, that is a lot of random crap that I don't want. I'm gonna bring back the sample implementation. Where's Hello World? Just want this back. See if I can debug just that. Can I? Should be nice if I could. Yeah, this one actually did something. Oh, yo, it's using C++ default memory allocator. Well, depends what you mean. In my C++ game code, I rarely allocate. When I do allocate in big chunks, for example, my main memory is actually allocated once at the beginning. It's almost a gigabyte of memory, and then I use stuff after that, and after that there is almost no allocations. By me specifically. Some third-party libraries that I use like PhysX or Flex for entities, they might. But me personally, no. Let's zoom in a little bit. Burn that boy. Who needs particle effects when you have such physical debris? What you gonna do? Miss me? Alright, back to web deving. It still tries to read the package in there. I don't know why. Why? Let's try to maybe get some kind of help from ChatGPT one more time. Where does debugging session choose where package JSON is? I'm seeing an error, which is the wrong folder. Am I using STL? No, I tried not to use STL at all. I pretty much only use vectors, and for that I just wrote my own implementation. Looks like the root of your workspace right, but now extension is right. I think I did that. Code workspace. Add both folders. Dev workspace. Mention folder path to launch JSON. Oh. But no, STL is evil, not for game dev. To launch the JSON. Don't need that. It's not allowed. Looks like it's a bunch of lies. Okay. A bunch of lies. Now that might be more interesting. Yeah, this one does exist. Why don't I... This folder. How about that? Start. Can you clear? Whatever. Task. Where did you launch? There you go. No, it's still looking for that. Alright, all the options. Hello, that workspace folder. Where do I create this? I'm not sure if that's what I want. Why don't I try to force the working folder to be what I want? Because if it's true, if it's going there, then from there I can just do self. Let me see. Yeah. Try this. It's still doing the same thing, so it doesn't care. Couldn't care less. I'm already pointing it here. Fine, try one more time. Is it good now? Sure. Didn't print anything at all, which is slightly suspicious. It's still trying to read that path. Bruh. What else could it be? I'm already opening the the code to the extension folder. What else could it be? No, we're no floors going up. Oh, here's the map thing, whatever it is. Okay. Still, for some reason, maybe what I need to do is run maybe something to remember somewhere as to what it's doing. All I want is be able to debug the damn extension. That's all I need. This timestamp, kinda. Still, why is it going here? Package JSON load. Who decided it goes there? Although it is... Oh... maybe... Maybe it's this. Well, I don't want that. But whatever. Hereby you go. Okay, this time there are no errors, suppose. Watching for file changes. Breakpoints. Some of breakpoints could not be set. Troubleshoot your launch. Combined. From here. So remember it's true, I know, it's really that. In narrowed out files. It is here though, map is there. Okay, what else? Guess redo it. What is script? But I was hoping to get some kind of thing. No, I'm gonna get nothing. Would I declare something as a type? Just let. Isn't it supposed to build? It's no longer true. I want to remake this, but it's not. Get TS config. Yeah, that's true. It's there. Source out. Root directory out. Oh boy. What else to try? Breakpoints are not getting hit. Actually, yeah. It should at least appear somewhere. Oh. Oh, activate happens when I do that, and until then, it doesn't do squat. Okay. That I can at least understand. Ocean global. Okay. Not found. Oh, because it's this. Alright, so that's good news. That means does it print that anywhere? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Excellent. Most excellent. Alright, so let me go off camera. Getting too late. Too dark. Yeah. This is only when that happens. Meetings executed. Gotcha. Gotcha. Huh. Storage command. So only activates when I type in the commands from the hello world UCS extension simple. Is there a way to do that without typing in the command? Activation events. Activation events. Uh-huh. What about JSON with comments? Okay. Don't remember. Oh, got it on its own. Excellent. Okay, so now that that works, I can probably bring it back in. What is that code to do the file load and whatnot? Here. Look this. What was this? Push disposable. Oh, that was to push that. Fair enough. Fair enough. I might keep that in mind as a useful thing. Yeah. Make the linter happy. Okay. Let's see if that is happy. Doesn't look like it's happy, to be honest, based on that. I guess I'll see. If we get any of this. Okay. Loading up. Enclosure it is. Oh, it did escape. Nice. Okay. Wait, why is Jason path so weird? Oh, it is a join. No, don't need that. Oh, get rid of those slashes. Yeah, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Okay. Uno más. Okay, that looks fine. Oh, it's interesting. Okay. New map. Do I see it? New map. Oh, okay. That's good enough. It's definitely good enough. So I can assume that this is fine. Let it rip. Now, when does this get hit? Hover provider. Extension simple hover provider. Hover provider. It's not exactly what I want. I want this. Whatever it wants, not that. Hmm. Language JSON. And this is JSON of comments. Maybe it's missing that. One more time. Aha. Gotcha. I gotcha good. Key description. Yes. Okay. That's good enough. Well, let's just start for sure. But this is too long. I want it to be in line. I don't want to wait for the hover to show the string. I want an inline with that hover. Decoration. Decoration type. Update decorations. How about any string starting with and? Oh, really? Damn. Custom to get plus, huh? Alright, fine. Fine. Drop in some cash. Okay. Back in. About finding string starting with. I guess it's rejects just that, right? Redo all this, I have that. Decoration style. Looking for anything like that, right? Update and file open, edit or switch. Okay. I don't need this crap anymore, but I'll keep it for reference. Whoop. Just need this much. Okay. Alright, date, okay, fine. It seems reasonable enough. Text. Look for that, looks good. Find. Okay. Start and what we got? Skill name laser. Right. Is it gonna be working? Oh, it's glorious. It is glorious. That is exactly what I wanted. That is exactly what I wanted. Now here's probably not gonna... Well, it doesn't have any ads in here, so that's fine. Don't have anything like that here. But this, yeah. Yep. Okay. To automatically register my extension in my various instances. Locally manually once. So let's see. When I'm here, load developer load extensions. What is install? Normal location. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, and if I close it all down, one more time. Yeah, it's live. This is live. Alright, what's the damage for file counts and whatnot? 63 max, Jesus Christ. Why did it steal the whole planet? My extension folder is too big. Can I clean up some build files and extra modules? Hey, 175 kilobytes suddenly. Okay. Does it still work? Okay. Okay. Let's see, is this a more reasonable location now? Wait, is it a bunch of empty folders now? Wow, it is. Is there anything in the node modules now? Just this. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm good with that. First Typescript extension with this code to show inline value of localized strings, such as none of it's binary, right? It's all text. Except for those. Do I need out folders? I need the out folder with .js and .js.map. Yeah, okay. For debugging, okay. Okay, okay. It's fine. Nice and easy. So what if I do like try to debug it one more time? No, nothing new. Okay. Let's say I want to. Let's say it does have this. Okay. It'll just continue. Print an inline error. Supposedly I could just do I still need position. Position and end. Value not found. Classes. Ooh, can I change color? Decoration type. Oh, I see. No help on this, but okay. Can I call this twice? If I want to have different color for the error case inline. Right? Oh, yeah, okay. I figured it. I figured as much that I could do it twice. Okay, okay. Red. Error decoration type. Decorations. Right. Excellent. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. Okay. This one's almost binary-like, to be honest, but whatever. Cool. Reload. Excellent. Excellent. Error hint. Bad localized IDs. Hell yeah. Now, where does it remember this? Where's the setting? Remembers where I registered this extension. That doesn't seem to be true. It certainly doesn't seem to be true. It keeps it between sessions, though. Okay. Alright, good enough for me. Good enough for me. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. We don't want to take a screenshot off. I guess something like that is fine. Maybe even include this as a... Bad. That's bad. Oh, spaces. Oh, I see. Boom. Okay, that works. But it's interesting it needs spaces. Guessing this would take care of it, right? Pile once. Actually, I can test it here. Yep. Yup. Good, good. Boom. Kabooyah. Now, I was thinking of doing this same, more involved stuff here. I want to be completely crazy. Could technically go into 72 even. Then find the robot. Where's it at? Yeah, I'll find this, but that's probably too much work. Probably too much work. Go this far. But otherwise, it does work. Does work. I could probably even do a drop down on this, but it's not that. But I would like this to be somehow. I sometimes forget exactly which one it is. I could even detect if I'm inside debug folder and then specifically look here as opposed to in the resources folder. Maybe. Okay. But really, I just wanted this. This is probably gonna be too much work to find out, is it? Because it's a lot to traverse, entities, components. Maybe it's not though. Maybe it's not. Might be that bad. Actually. Even here, I could provide like a hint to that prefab name file. Make sure this points where I want it to point. So actually could do it all. But it's too late for today. I shall continue this tomorrow. This was a nice 2-hour stream where I got the hints working. Even of special stuff. Oh, does this not reload? Reload window. Yeah, there you go. Boom. Oh man, she's been molested here the whole time. Yeah, it is. Much improved. My only worry about all this, if I go out like that everywhere, it's gonna look cool, but It's gonna destroy some slower CPUs, so bad. Have to be careful about that. Yep, GG's. Alright, I shall continue this tomorrow. Take care, y'all.